want to film this. Go to the woods, embrace the day. Let sense of nature guide your way. Explore the tempting treasure troves within the depths of Gaia's groves. Go to the woods, make fear just die. Take the roads less traveled by. Let pleasures of your recreations cease your troubled trepidations. Go to the woods, walk up each knoll, drive into your mind's rabbit hole. Let fancy take exalted flight as you take in every sight. Go to the woods without a care. Inflate your lungs, inhale the air. Hear birds sing, smell every flower. Allow your senses to devour. It seems we're at a crossroads right now.